As a continuation of our 9 o'clock. Whenever you're ready. Which case? So it's, let's see, it would have been what?
She was here, maybe.
Number 4. Timothy J. Berggren. It's a show cause for the first and final accounting.
Actually was here.
All right, we're on the record in the matter of Timothy J. Berggren, file number 23152-580.
All right, we're on record looking for Ms. Dawn Schaefer, the conservator on the first and final accounting. And we have, I've had the pleasure of a brief bench conference with our guardian ad litem as well as an attorney for the estate. Yes. To understand that there may be a request for adjournment. May I have your name for the record?
Yes, Attorney Ashley Hanson-Grimes on behalf of Lisa Berggren, who is also in the courtroom, who is the personal representative of the estate of Timothy Berggren.
Thank you. And I think we just lost Mr. McFarland, but he was looking for our guardian, I think.
I believe that to be so, Your Honor.
Yes, I would say for the record, I know we've had a couple of adjournments on this one because Ms. Schaefer has had a number of challenges in accumulating the records that she needed for purposes of producing the accounting and the accounting itself. So it wouldn't surprise me entirely if more time is needed for the two of you to review the work. Mr. McFarland, your appearance?
Michael McFarland, attorney guardian ad litem. I was not scheduled for the show cause today, but I did call Ms. Schaefer just now to find out. She thought that this matter had been, she's going to receive notice. She's jumping on Zoom right now.
Well, it's not really a problem. I just got done.
Well, I agree.
Reviewing that she's submitted a number of proposed accountings. We've adjourned this already without the pleasure of the two of you here in order to find a version of it that we could realistically vet for purposes of admission. So welcome aboard, both of you. And I understand there may be a request for adjournment to look at it over.
Yes, sure. I've been in communication this morning with Ms. Ashley Hanson-Grimes and looks over and needed some receipts. I've talked to Ms. Schaefer regarding what happened. I'm going to need to delve into this and get some verification. So I'm going to need time also. But I think she first has to submit something for the court. So.
Was there any impressions that she had, Ms. Hanson-Grimes? Did you?
So I received it yesterday. I received a copy of the final accounting. My client had, I think probably a week or so ago, received the first accounting. So we were able to come together yesterday afternoon and review them, which prompted my appearance today. We had some questions that do need some oversight from the guardian ad litem and some questions that need to be answered on behalf of the estate. And so we would like an adjournment to allow time for receipts to be gathered and just a little bit more clarification as to what was presented to us by way of a first and final accounting for this court's approval.
Okay, we've had a phone join us, and knowing that we're looking for Ms. Schaefer, I wanted to make sure that this wasn't her. Who's logged in on a phone number ending in 8574? Good morning. If you've just called in to Judge Sala's courtroom, could you let us know who you are?
Hello, this is Jeanette Benedict.
Okay, thank you. All right. Thank you. All right, I think you're on a different file. So give me just a moment. Okay, so we didn't have Ms. Schaefer, but I'll trust the two of you to reach out to her. And I would offer to you November 6th at 9 o'clock. And if you need more time than that, then just submit the petition in order or a stipulation or appear and ask me for more time.
That should give me sufficient time, I believe, Your Honor.
And Your Honor, we're just looking for an investigation from the guardian ad litem. And then if we have any issues or need to put any further questions before the court, will file a written objection at that time. So yes, the November 6th date will work at 9 a.m.
Great. All right. The court will issue that order, and we appreciate your time this morning.
Thank you.
Hang on. John's S21 Ultra just joined the meeting. Okay. Okay. Do we have Ms. John Schaefer? Did you just join us?
That's her, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
Great, okay, so what you missed was Mr. McFarland and Ms. Hanson Grimes on behalf of the estate are requesting more time to look at the proposed accounting, as well as I believe they're gonna be contacting you for some questions and the production of some receipts for some of the expenses. So I'm adjourning it again from October 2nd to November 6th for them. Okay, so we'll look for them to get in touch with you, and then we'll see you November 6th at 9, okay? All right. All right, well, the court's done its best to get everybody in the loop on this one. And we'll make sure that, of course, the written adjournment goes out to both of you and Ms. Schaefer, and we'll see you in November.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Reach out to me with your concerns, all right?
Okay, yep, I'll send you an email.
Okay, thanks.
All right, thank you, Ms. Schaefer, for logging in. That's all for today. We'll see you in November.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. All right. And then I think Ms. Jeanette Benedict is here on Lois Jones, or Louise. Ms. Benedict, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
All right, let's go back to that one. Okay, can we go back to Lois
Do you want me
Jones?
to call it again?
Yes, please.
To Jones, you mean?
Yes.
Okay, we're back on the record in the matter of Lois A. Jones, file number 83035258.
Okay, all right, Ms. Jeanette Benedict, we were looking
Yes.
for you at 9 o'clock. We were looking for you at 9 o'clock on the 40th, 41st, and 42nd accounting as it relates to Ms. Lois Jones. Are you ready to proceed at this time?
Yes, certainly.
Good. All right, Deputy Inspector Swearing Ms. Jeanette Benedict. She just appears by phone.
Thank you. Can you raise your right hand, please, and let me know when it's raised?
Okay.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right, Ms. Benedict, can you hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
All right. Would you like to offer any explanation why we didn't see you at 9 o'clock rather than now?
Well, I was trying to download Zoom, but it won't. It won't work on my phone.
Well, we appreciate you calling in. So were you the author of the 3 accountings for today, the 40th, the 41st, and 42nd?
Yes.
All right, is all the information contained in those accountings truthful, accurate, and complete to the best of your knowledge and information?
Yes, it is.
Very good, and it does look like you gave notice to all the interested parties as well.
Yes.
Very good. Is there anything you'd like to say about any of the work you've done in the accountings?
No, I think it's pretty sufficient as it is.
All right, very well. And are you able to visit with Ms. Jones?
Not presently. I had 2 strokes. I no longer drive. I have to arrange transportation, and that's not very easy to do.
Are you able to keep up with what's happening with her in a different way?
Oh yes, I stay in contact by phone. Mr. Jonathan Richardson there at the home. I stay in contact with him and others.
Is Ms. Jones in a state where she can talk with you herself?
No.
Are you able to do FaceTime or any other kind of video in order to check on her visually?
We haven't tried that. I don't know.
All right. Are you in a position where you're going to be continuing to be her guardian, or are you looking for alternatives?
No, I can continue.
All right. Well, I can appreciate that you've had some health challenges, but I would ask you to perhaps even find someone in Michigan that could visit with her to lay eyes on her is sometimes how I like to describe it. Just to check in on her personally, at least quarterly. If not monthly, would be preferable. And encourage you to try to see if you can do that, use that video option as well for yourself to verify that she's doing okay, rather than just going through the caretakers, which I'm sure are great resources. But that would be the second level I would be asking from you. Do you think that that's something you can do? I'm sorry.
Well, I can try. I don't really know anyone up there that would be willing to go and see her.
Well, as a guardian, you would be required to see her at least quarterly under the statutes.
Mm-hmm.
And it doesn't sound like you're able to do that. So my concern is whether or not you're able to continue to perform your obligations as a guardian, to be frank with you.
Mm-hmm. Well, like I said, I've been staying in contact with several of the different people up there, nursing people, social worker people, all of those.
So are you willing to attempt to find someone who can visit her in person, as well as look into an option that would allow you to actually visually see Ms. Jones?
Yeah, I can talk with Mr. Richardson about this visual video thing, and he's been extremely cooperative, so
Great.
he probably would assist.
All right. Well, that's great. I appreciate you doing that. Do you have anything else to add about your work in the file?
No, I don't have anything to add.
Okay. All right. Well, the work does appear to be accurate and complete, so I am approving your annual accountings, and I appreciate your commitment to making sure that you are accomplishing your goals as a guardian. And if you have any other questions, now is the time. Otherwise, that's all for today.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Bye. All right. Okay, and Riggins file is next.
We are on the record in the matter of Anne Marie Riggins, file number 24153-215.
First, I'm going to approve the first annual accounting. May I have the names of our participants, please?
Michael McFarland, attorney guardian at Life.
Good morning, Your Honor. James Bifelsky on behalf of the conservator, Larry Barker. And can you state your name?
Anne Riggins.
Hello again. No, you're fine.
I'm just waiting for him to sit down. State your name too, Larry.
Larry Barker.
Thank you. Mr. Feigels.
James Bifelsky on behalf of Larry Barker, the conservator.
Very good. Well, let's go to Mr. McFarland. Have you had a chance to look at the work in this file?
I'm pulling this up right now. I had sent, yes, there were receipts, I believe, I had requested a receipt, and I'm not sure if the receipts have been delivered over to the clerk's office or not. It's on a letter to Larry Barker on the Riggins file on July 28th. I'm not sure if
We didn't have receipts, but had account statements for the year that were sent to the clerk's office.
Yeah, I also indicated that the enclosed statement of account does not add up to the $9,847.10, Your Honor. So I had asked for receipts for the MISC food, personal care, pharmacy to the probate clerk's office. I don't see any notes from the probate clerk that they are there for my review.
Do the two of you want to take a moment to check in with the clerk's office to see if there's
Sure,
any additional?
sure, yeah. Absolutely.
All right, okay, so we'll take a